Well, good evening and welcome back to my channel. My name is April Wolf and I am the wolferanchgirl, and it has been a while, you guys. It has been pretty crazy at work. I pretty much have meetings every night, and between having in-person classes and online classes all at the same time, I spend a good portion of my time grading and preparing content for all of those classes. So I love being a teacher. Everything is going well. It is just a lot more prep and a lot more front loading than in previous years. So I am taking a break tonight and doing something that I love to do and hoping that it's going to help my anxiety level. Hoping that we're going to go through and do something that is positive and productive and helps us to navigate through this crazy life. So welcome back to my channel, and I hope that you enjoy this October plan with me. So what I have here is a planner folio, planner cover that I ordered from Erin Condren quite some time ago, and it just didn't work out for me. I just love to have my planner, be able to open it and get to where I need to go. I usually stick a pen in the coil right here, that way I have it ready for me whenever I need it. But since I did order this, I did want to use it, so what I keep inside it are my extra planner covers. And every month I change my planner cover, and it is October, so we are now going to change. So every month I change my planner cover, and since it is October, we are going to change to this, which I really love. I believe that this is one of the stock covers from Erin Condren, and then I just personalized it with my name and hashtag Muggle Life because I love Harry Potter. So we are going to take off the planner cover that I have right now, and we are going to replace it with this one. So it's pretty easy to get these on and off. You just have these coil snaps, and they are split, and you just press it down into the coils. Sometimes they pop right in, sometimes you have to use your fingernail or even a pen to get those in, and then there you go, good as new. And they flip very easily, and then here's the back. So then I'll take the planner cover that I just took off, and inside the planner folio there is like a pocket, and so I'll just slide that to the back. And then next month, I won't show you what it is, but next month I'll just pull out my next one, and I have them in order of when I plan to use them. I don't have so many of them that I'm picking and choosing. I generally have one per month. So what we're going to do today is we're going to flip over and we're going to do our October monthly spread. So I was doing the September, like the monthly spreads and the weekly spreads all together, but I just found those to be very long videos. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to do the month spreads, and then in a separate video I'll come back and I'll do the weekly spreads, because this is the last month of this is the week that we're on right now, and so next week will be the first full week of October, and I will try and get that out by the weekend. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the October sticker kit that I am going to use. And I just think that it is super cute. I love the orange flowers with the purple leaves. Some really nice Photoshop work there. And this is from Highland Belle. And this is a new sticker shop to me. But I think that they look really nice. And this is one of the cards that came with the shipment. I swear I have it all together. I just forgot where I put it. And I tell you what, that is where I am at. So again, this is Highland Belle, and this is the October kit, and then came with these little extras here, which I think are pretty cute. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. You guys can see that I've done some pre-planning here with just some little Erin Condren notes in the layer style that I had, because October is turning out to be a fairly busy month. So this is what I ended up with, and I think it looks pretty good. I like the quality of the stickers. They are not easily repositionable, and I will tell you that I'm not sure why, if this is an older sticker kit that I purchased from here, but they weren't cut correctly. So if you can see, I had to fold over the edge of the sticker because it was too tall, and if I would have pulled this down, it would have covered up all of the numbers for the dates. So that was a little bit different, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal. So I just folded them over and then kind of created a top border at the top. The sticker quality themselves were really good. They were easy to take off of the backing. I didn't really have anything stick, but a couple of things were missing. I felt like you can see that there's not anything over here in the notes section, and then the bottom borders, which usually come with some sort of a washi or some sort of a sticker to accompany that. There wasn't anything in the sticker kit for that, but the colors are just about exactly the same. So even though there wasn't anything like that, it looks like it all matches, so that's really good. You also usually have something that is going to cover up the dates from the previous month, so the 27th, 28th, 29th, and 30th, and there's nothing like that here. So that was a little bit different. These are all of my little notes that I now replaced with these quarter boxes, so on and so forth. So this is what I have left. I actually don't have very many birthdays, so I actually will probably cut this and keep those in my extra stickers. And then there's some Happy Mail, and I don't really know how to use the Happy Mail stickers. Like, do I mark when I got Happy Mail? I have a bill organizer, so I don't really use the pay bill stickers, and if I do use them, then I usually use them on my weeks. So I'll probably save those just to see if I use them, but all in all, it was pretty good. So I don't have very much left, and I was pretty happy with it. I'll have to go back and look at the price of the sticker kit. Again, it was from Highland Belle Plans, and I'll have to go back and see what I paid for it, because generally for a monthly kit you don't have as many as stickers as a weekly kit, but you do generally have some sort of notes embellishment or something like that. So I may or may not order from this again, but I think it turned out pretty cute. And I am excited to record the next video, which we will be doing our weekly spreads. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed the plan with me. I hope that it gave you a little bit of insight into how I plan, made you feel like you're not only the only person that's running around with the chicken, like a chicken with their head cut off, excuse me, because I am too. You can see that this month is going to be kind of crazy, and I think I'm really going to be looking forward to Columbus Day. So you guys have a great rest of your week, and I hope to see you back here next time. Laters.